Welcome to Electrical Installations here at York College and University Centre. Here you can take your first steps towards becoming a qualified electrician, whether that's as an apprentice or on one of our full-time vocational courses. If you enrol here at York College, you'll have access to our construction centre and learn in our state-of-the-art electrical laboratory. You'll benefit from working with new cutting-edge technology and learn how we install and use renewable equipment, which is really important in today's climate. In our electrical workshops, you'll be taught valuable hand skills, first and second fixing, and electrical testing. Our vocational courses include work placements with some of the local and national leaders of the trade, to ensure our students get that hands-on industry experience, helping them to prepare them for the future careers. Learning is enhanced through site visits to see the different roles available for qualified electricians. We often have visits from guest speakers from awarding bodies, distributors, suppliers and experts in the industry who come to speak to our students about their experiences and pass on valuable knowledge and expertise. Our courses can lead to a variety of different progression routes. Our full-time vocational students progress to study apprenticeships or move on to T-level programmes to enable them to become fully qualified electricians. Students can also progress to university after T-level study. Our former students have become qualified electricians, working with a variety of different companies, and some have become self-employed and set up their own businesses. We look forward to welcoming you to Electrical Installations at York College and University Centre.